Hello, my name is Mary Joy Igarta. Today I would like to present my NSTP 16101 course project and answering those questions. I choose set A. Those are those questions that I need to answer. Tell me about yourself. Um, I am an OFW and living independently. As a single mom working abroad has provided me with valuable opportunities to not only support my loved ones but also to enhance my professional and personal growth with a strong sense of responsibility. I have dedicated myself of excelling in my career while also ensuring the financial stability of my family back home. My experience in a foreign environment has taught me of adaptability, resilience, and the importance of effective communication across cultural boundaries. I am driven by the desires to create a better future for my family and myself, and I approach every challenges with determination and positive attitude. To my professional achievements, I take pride in the role I play within my family and the support I provide to my loved ones. In my work, I value honesty, respect, and professionalism in all my interaction with my employer and colleagues. I am dedicated, organized, and passionate about continuous learning and staying updated with the place and trend that I work for. My ability to think creatively, adapt to change, and communicate effectively has been instrumental in achieving success to my job and to my project. Next, what is your greatest strength and why? One of my greatest strengths is my ability to communicate effectively. I believe this is a valuable skill because clear communication is essential in building a strong relationship, fostering teamwork, and ensuring that tasks are completed efficiently. By being able to articulate ideas, actively listen to others, and convey informations in concise and understandable manners, I can collaborate effectively with team members, resolve conflict, and deliver results that meet the expectation in every individuals. Why is your greatest weakness and why? What is your greatest weakness and why? One of my greatest weaknesses is my tendency to take on too much responsibility due to my strong sense of commitment to my work and my family. Someone who worked abroad as a single and served for my family, I often find it challenging to strike a balance between meeting the demands of my job and ensuring the well-being of my loved ones back home. This can sometimes lead to overcommitting myself and stretching myself thin to fulfill both roles of effectively. The reason behind these weaknesses stem from my deep-rooted dedication to providing the best support for my family and excelling in my professional endeavors. While this dedication drives me to perform at my best, I acknowledge that it is crucial for me to learn to delegate tasks more effectively and set clear boundaries to prevent burnout. By recognizing this weakness and actively working in improving my delegation skills and time management, I aim to enhance my overall productivity and well-being both work and in my family life. Describe your leadership style. My leadership style can be best described as combination of transformational and servant leadership. As a single mom, I make it as an responsibility to guide and teach my daughter to the right path. As a mom, I be a role model, her guidance, and providing support to her thrive. By demonstrating empathy, intuition, and vision for the future, I can inspire my daughter to reach their goal and become the best version themselves. In work at school, I believe in inspiring and motivating my team members to achieve their full potential while also ensuring that their needs are met. I prioritize open communication, empathy, and collaboration to foster a positive working environment. I am committed to leading the example and providing guidance and support when needed. My goal is to empower those around me to succeed and grow both personally and professionally. I strive to mentor and guide my team members, helping them develop their skill and reach their full potential by empowering individuals to take on challenges and make decisions. I aim to build a strong, sufficient team. Tell me about a time you had handled a pressure. This happened in school during previous project deadline. Our team faced unexpected challenges that put us under immense pressure to deliver results. Despite the obstacles, I took a leadership role and worked closely with team members to prioritize tasks, allocate resources efficiently, and maintain clear communication channel. I remain composed and focused on problem solving, encouraging my team to stay positive and motivated. One particular instance that tested my ability to handle pressure was when a crucial team member unexpectedly fell ill days before a major presentation. Recognizing importance of their role, I stepped in to take on the responsibilities while also managing my own tasks. This required me to work long hours, stay adaptable, and make quick decisions under their deadlines. Through effective time management and delegation, I ensured that the project stayed on track and that our presentation was successful. This experience taught me the value of resilience, teamwork, and maintaining a positive attitude in high pressure situations. Ultimately, we overcome the challenges and deliver results that exceeded expectation. What will your coworker say about you? My coworker would likely describe me as a reliable and supported team member. I strive to maintain open communication, collaborate, collaborate effectively, and offer assistance whenever needed. I believe in fostering a positive work environment by being approachable, empathetic, and willing to lend a helping hands. I think my colleagues would mention my strong work of ethic and dedication to producing high quality results. I am known for being proactive, detail oriented, and committed to meeting deadlines. I also value feedback and actively seek ways to improve and grow professionally. And I believe my coworkers and classmates will characterize me as dependable and enthusiastic team player, a team leader who is dedicated to success of the team as a whole. Tell me about time you created goal and achieved it. One notable instance where I created and achieved a significant goal was when I spearheaded a project to improve customers and satisfaction rating and more sales at my previous job. One impactful journey where I set accomplishment major goals was when I took on responsibility of sending my sibling to school, building a house for my family, recognizing the importance of education, and providing a stable home for my loved ones. I established clear objective and worked tirelessly to make them a reality. To send my siblings to school, I prioritized their education by creating budget, seeking financial assistance where possible, and ensuring they had the necessary resources to excel academically. I also serve as a supportive mentor, offering guidance and encouragement to help them navigate their education journey successfully. Simultaneously, I embarked on the ambitious project of building a house for my family. I researched construction methods, obtained the required permit, and collaborate with skilled professionals to bring my vision to life. Through meticulous planning, hard work, and unwavering determination, we were able to create a safe, comfortable home that brought joy and security to my family. Those experiences taught me the power of determination, resilience, and the profound impact of setting achievement meaningful goals. By focusing on the well-being of future opportunities of my siblings and family, I was able to recognize those aspirations and create positive impact in their lives. What do you think is your greatest contribution to community and why? One of my most meaningful contributions to community was when I actively participated in the construction of a church and made generous donation to support its completion. Being involved in the building process allowed me to witness the progress firsthand and be a part of creating a space for spiritual growth and community gatherings. By offering my time, effort, and financial support, I demonstrated my commitment to enhancing the local community and providing a place of worship for people to come together. The act of giving back and investing in the construction of the church not only enriched the community's members in structure but also fostering a sense of unity, faith, and belonging among its members. Through this experience, I realized the profound impact that collective efforts and contributions can have by strengthening community bonds, promoting shared values, and creating sense of belonging for all. It reinforced the importance of giving back to society and being an active participant in building a supportive and thriving community for everyone benefits from. Thank you and God bless. Hope you understand my presentation.